lethu lumnandi kakhulu namhlanje 13 February inyanga nje ekuthiwa inyanga yothando kodwa inyanga futhi esinovalo KZN
Valentine.
Okay, but into emnandi kakhulu ileyo ukuthi yothando, and at the same time sinalento yokuba worried ukuthi voting is coming kunalesiphithiphithi senzakalayo. So ngine concern nje as a woman and especially as a queen, as the mother of the nation. I-concern yami sekuthenini it's been isikhathi eside abantu besifazane bengafuni ukupusha the boundaries, bengafuni ukubreak the barriers. For instance, njoba sila kwi-training or workshop that is organized by MDDA, and the workshop is all about reporting indaba zama-elections. So sesithola ulwazi olu more than lo lebesithi sina sithola la. For instance, mina nje one ukuthola ukuthi women ba-leader abarejistile for voting, bese kuzoba number 2 wokuthi kuba nama-independent candidates abakhona. Manje lama independent, mina ingqondo nami behlezi kungazi ukuthi amakhansela yabo le nto amakhansela aba independent. I never thought ukuthi kanti even kwi-presidential or kwinto ukuthi umuntu angasukeleka nje athi yena mina nje angiphuma iqembini lamuntu mina nje yabo. Manje wari yami umunwe amalokhuza abantu besifazane, abantu besifazane I don't know what's going on, women. Angibuze nina nani bafethu nikhulumeni yini abantu besifazane bengaphusha ama boundaries and barriers, indaba babe nokusaba okungaka yini, kwenze njani? Nibona ukuthi mhlawumbe asikakafiki kwi level yokuthi singaba o president, singaba nathi abantu aba leader without political parties. Ithini?
Happy Radio World Day. I'm glad. Yes, I'm glad that we are sitting here around this table and trying to address our issues about besifazane. PT, we have been talking about women not wanting to push the boundaries, women this, women that. It's been years and years and years and years. But sometimes it's without being serious, but it's technically ama issues as katazayo. And I like ukuthi we are not focusing on the issue at hand, but we are trying to source ama solutions. My personal view ukuthi why abantu besifazane sibona sengathi bayasaba or abafuni ukuba kuma leadership positions or whatever the case may be. My personal view is that abantu besifazane bebodwa abazwani iqala lapho. Bebodwa bengazwani ku affecta indlela abasebenza ngayo and ku affecta indlela ababukana ngayo. It could be friends, it could be colleagues, it could be any level of relationship. But ikhona leso sihlava leso sokuthi abantu besifazane bebodwa abazwani. So if it's women against women, we can't expect women to win against men when it comes to leadership position. Inkinga enkulu kakhulu asithanda ukubona omunye ngaphezulu komunye. Ngesizulu esithi ke umona lo siyamonelana. Umhleli ushila unephepha lakhe, but if ngingaqala elami iphepha sengingahamba ngiyekuloya ngithi ungamnikezi ushila imali to boost iphepha lakhe, ngikhuluma about practical issues. Let kumina instead ukuthi ngiye lapha ngiyokhulumela thina sobabili, because senze izinto ezihlukene, sine audience ehlukene. We don't do that. Sifuna nje ukuthi kube owami ogombela wesakho. Into enkulu kakhulu umona.
I agree with this scoop. Ukuthi into esihluphayo singabantu besifazane samonelana, and yikho leyo kwenza ukuthi even umuntu enayo potential ukuthi angakwazi ukuba upresident, angakwazi ukuthi angene anaye abe elected as a presidential candidate, uzosaba ukuthi who is going to support me, because vele abantu besifazane ngeke baze bamsupport, and the 55% abantu besifazane abavotile aba-registered ukuvota angeke nabo baze bamsupport, because ngenxa yayo sona leso stigma ukuthi ke abantu banomona ukuthi okay, who is she by the way ukuthi sina sesizomvotela, but i-potential ikhona mina ngiyibonile nje izolo i-potential la sila kulokhuzana ku-IEC umphathi we-province e-IEC. That's when ilokhuzane constitution it's here. It's here.
So ngamanye amazwi uthi bayathanda ukuba kuma-position but bayesaba ukuthi there will be no support because abantu besifazane
because who is going to support me? Because abantu besilisa they won't support her vele because they don't want to abafuni ukuphatha umuntu wesifazane. And again thina singabantu besifazane we are going to ask who is she by the way. Angeke sisimsupport.
Yazi usasho kanjalo I remember izolo ukhona oyirezile into enjengaleyo othe even kuthiwa kuyiwa okhethweni kuma-by elections or nje kuhleziwe kufuna kukhethwe ikhansela uthola ukuthi umuntu wesifazane phambili onominator indoda umuntu wesilisa and kuvumbuka inqwaba futhi ezana zabantu besifazane supporting ukhethwa kwaloya muntu wesilisa whereas bakhona abantu besifazane aba-capable so sinenkinga
enkulu because mina ngokwami futhi kubuka ukuthi ma abantu besifazane bengashintsha i-mentality ukuthi bacabanga ukuthi abantu besilisa kuphela abafanele ukuthatha ikhundla ephezulu kungaba ngcono ngoba angazi understand ngoba nasemakhaya imizi eminingi iphethwe abantu besifazane umuntu wesilisa ozelwe wonke uzelwe umuntu wesifazane and majority of abantu besifazane abantu besilisa abakhona bakhuliswa abantu besifazane there were no fathers baningi ngaba abantu besilisa nje mina ngakhuliswa uma angazi ukuthi yini into ebenza bacabanga ukuthi when it comes to leadership whether at any level yini into eyenza ukuthi bayibona ukuthi bona abekho ezingeni but enye into ke nokwesaba shame abantu besilisa nabo banayo ingqondo ukuthi babe clever in a way that bakwazi ngisho nanokuthi ayisondelise kumuntu wesifazane mhlawumbe eqenjini ayisondelise kuyena enzengazathi uyamthanda khona ezomlokhuza ezomdida ingqondo aphinde futhi bayakwazi ukuthi yes baluthi siyalutheka kalula sinenhliziyo eziyetheyethe so hence abantu besilisa they find it easy ukuthi afike njena asebenzise umuntu wesifazane eqenjini futhi aphinde asebenzise umuntu wesifazane ukuthi akacikele phansi abanye abantu besifazane khona bengeke bakwazi ukuthatha lesa sikhundla asifunayo kodwa nje the main thing engiyibonayo ukuthi inhliziyo zethu ziyethethe sithanda kakhulu ukuthandwa abantu besilisa yo uma as much as kukuhle impela ukuthanda kuyona into embi ukuthandwa abantu besilisa vele fanike sibe nobuhlobo kodwa futhi sibuthanda ukuthanda elokhuzane at the expense ukuthi thina sicekele phansi singabi into yalutho.
Hey my guys ngiyanizwa sesibekile uvalo. My only question kuyo yonke lento yes senze njani that's one. Number 2 kuhlele kunjena yini sizocomplaina kuzobeka nje silokhu sithi sinefear when is it going to end so fika in level yokuthi ngempela sithi break all the barriers like the fear and an end so is it possible is something that's doable
akekho umuntu ozokwehla emoyeni ezela ezosifixela le situation yethu I think the first step though it's not a first step it has been preached before but we are not taking any action ukuthi I guess change i-mentality yethu I guess change i-mindset as abantu besifazane try it no matter ukuthi udawutha kangakanani ukuthi uzothola i-support komunye umuntu wesifazane but try and trust omunye umuntu wesifazane siyenze lento ohlale uyipreacher ye-collaboration ukuba in collaboration akusho ukuthi usuzothatha i-skill sum noma usuzo mina I'm from Central Root Media yes I'm from Central Root Media i-Central Root Media yenza lokho ekwenzayo okungafani nokwakhe kukhona ayenzayo engingayidinga kuyena angiservice ngayo nawe unokwakho engingakwazi ukwenza nawe nesiphiwo sakho unomqondo wakho ongathi mangabe sekuhlangene sibenefit nokusona uzobe sephucwa nomunye if we can start trying to shift i-mindset yethu as abantu besifazane there is still hope as you are asking it's doable.
Do you think
it's doable?
Hi, impela nami I still feel ukuthi there's still hope in the sense that if ngithi buka lana Ndlovukazi uma mina njoba nginalokho enginakho uma sisi collaborator nawe uzozuza lokho nami futhi uma
asikuze kube practical kunje singakutheorize uQueenshila suggested because now we are on radio, right? It's now that we have an online newspaper, but we are print and also online now.
Yes.
So she suggested that we work together and we gave that platform. Now, umbuzo wami uzoza kuwena ngqo ukuthi yini leyenza ukuthi ungakwazi ukuba consistent kulento, because there's nothing as separate ukuthi singathi nangalo nyaka awukho wena emsakazweni to give us that. And nami ayikho into engivimba ukuthi ngathi mangifuna advert for the radio and also funa advert ngithi mina ngine radio ngine phepha eluwenza. So what's stopping that? But isidingani ukuthi siboost ukuthi lokho sakukhuluma sikusustain sikumele
sikwenze siqale sikwenze it just
saqala inkinga ukuthi asikusustainile you know angifuni sikhombe kodwa guys lento ibe ikuthina. So mhlambe if thina we can promise ukuthi from now onwards on a serious note we starting at least sihambe nje. You said this today asihambe nohambayo uyabona lento ukuthi okay asigruphani ukwasho noma yena namhlanje asigruphana labo sigruphana nabo sibone ukuthi senze njani ukuqhubekela phambili.
Exactly.
Do you think they still have hope?
Yeah, we have hope. Mina what I've experienced ukuthi khona izinto esizenzayo abantu besilisa esingafuni ukuzenza abantu besifazane. Ukuthi kumuntu wesilisa will compromise, you know, but awufuni ukucompromise akumuntu wesifazane ukuthi let her lead me, akangilead because she unayo ilokhuzana can I be led by her because I
and now we're leading others because once you get this side and then you go and lead your people.
We don't want to compromise to umuntu wesifazane. Kuba nale pride ukuthi who is she by the way.
Nanokuthi khona nalento ukuthi wena ucabanga ukuthi uhlakaniphile.
Exactly. Ucabanga ukuthi ubani.
Utazophatha thina. Okay guys, because of time ngicabanga mhlambe fancy to wrap up. I just want 1 second or 2 seconds whichever way, but straight to the point. What is it that you're saying to abantu abasibukele njengamanje nabasilalela?
Okay.
For the change.
Yes.
And
I will stick to my words. Let us try and change our mindset. Ayikho enye into khuluma nengqondo yakho, ukhulume nomoya wakho ukuthi sa angiyenze lento angihlangane nabanye abantu besifazane.
Yes. Nje ugugu right. Change mindset yakho, be okay with
be led
by another woman. Don't want to lead noma ngabe ungakwazi ukulead. Appreciate because we bring different talents at that place. So bring your own and appreciate to be led by another woman for a change.
Wow. For a change, I love that.
That's powerful.
And mina ngokwami ukuthi abantu besifazane kufanele ba understand into eyodwa ukuthi we've got ama strengths nama weaknesses ahlukene. Let me use the strength sika Ndlovukazi Mapule for my benefit and let uMapule also use my strength for her benefit and then learn to live with ama weaknesses and see ukuthi I weaknesses yami ngingakwazi kanjani ku overcome rather than ukuthi ngilibele ngicabanga ukuthi uMapule clever ungqondo cabanga ukuthi uyazi
ufuna ukudla imali zami ukudla imali zethu. Mina engifisa ukusho ukuthi asiphathiseni madoda asivumeni to be led, because on a serious note nami gifted as I am omunye besifazane ngiyathanda ukulead. For instance mina I'm a creative, mhlambe let me a bit because I'm ningi phana isikhashana esincane. I'm a creative person. I think nje ngicabanga bese ngifuna ukwenza. So I have uGugu on my side, I have uThandeka on my side where they say whoa bese ngicabangile I cannot like konke lo ngikufaka ndawonye, but Gugu Central Road Media une strength ukuthi angibekele into perspective. You understand? Endlini ke bese kuthiwa yehla. So ukulidwa kuyinto engehlisa umuntu kodwa kwenza ube productive and effective kuyo yonke into yenzayo. So can we just allow to be led and bese siyalidana ngokweqiniso ebese siyashintsha ngesicabangeni leyo ukuthi ake sije siyabambana sisije thina sisukumiso wethu independent. Kunganjani ezweni?
Siyamdinga ngamnandi.
Kunganjani ezweni? Kuba mnandi. Ayiqale ngokuthi ke akuphose nawe mbukeli umuntu igama nje. Olishoyo would lo angalida lo angalida siba throw nje babo 10.
Yabona.
Who do you think can lead us?
I mean, I have
Women.
One, two, women nje ukuthi let's throw amagama nje abantu